Today we plan on leaving. It's a bittersweet feeling waking up on your last morning. I've experienced moments of true bliss here, and I felt passion flowing through my veins as I watched the morning sun rise. But these days can't last forever. I knew I had to move on to find a new hidden gem. This morning was similar to the last. Cleaning up, washing the dirt off from the day before. This is a nice shower bag. The water is 92 degrees already. It's 9:40 a.m. and the water's already 92 degrees, so it heats up really well, especially when there's just a little bit of water in there. I would take this bird bath over a bathroom sink any day of the week. That feels good. I feel clean. When I brush my teeth, I prefer not to be surrounded by concrete walls that obscure my view of the land. Thousands of years ago, in this exact spot, I would be standing beneath meters of water at the bottom of a lake. Our ancestors would have used boats to navigate this area. Today, I'll navigate by car. Unfortunately, my battery's dead, so I won't be going anywhere very soon. These are the times where this lifestyle is hard. I'm trying to remain calm. What I am concerned about is just my electricity. My phone's almost dead. I only have a little bit of power left in the jackery, so I'm eating some food, thinking it over. I don't want to panic. I wouldn't say I'm in grave danger. I have cell reception here. I'm not too far away from people. I could find someone today if I needed to. Call someone right now if I wanted to. I store my battery charger underneath my platform. I keep my jump starter down there because I don't use it very often. I always charge it up before I store it, just in case something like this happens. It was a bit of a project to get it out. I recently installed a Renogy DC to DC charger to power a deep cycle battery for my fridge. I suspected that I didn't connect the unit properly, so I decided to completely disconnect it from my starting battery. After a careful inspection of my installation, I found my mistake. I was constantly supplying power to my deep cycle battery from my starting battery, even when the engine was not running. I found a simple solution to this problem, and everything is working great now. I took this as a sign to stay one more night. So Hudson and I took a walk, and we soaked in the sun-kissed landscape for one more afternoon. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more outdoor content, and keep chasing your dreams. I'll see you in the next episode.